3, 2, 1, go.
Go and try your luck. Test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up. Got that black and white, that yin and yang. It's the officer. Please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell them park it up. Then that ass be poking out them jeans. I've been sparking up. Like the fight.
Alright, so I'm getting ready to head to KTR tonight with Logan. We're going to ride there for BMX tonight. We haven't rode our dirt jumpers for like a month. And I've got this new GoPro here. The newest GoPro Hero 11 that I'm curious to try out. And I've also got my new helmet. It's this Fox PROFRAME RS. It's the newest Fox helmet that they make. And I got it in all black, and this thing is so sick. It also comes with this cool bag. It says ProFrame right here on the side, and it fits the ProFrame perfectly. Alright, so the new ProFrame has a bunch of new upgraded features. First, I'll start with talking about the new GoPro mount. It comes custom in one of the bags that comes in the box. But it's a custom fitted GoPro mount, and it fits right up here underneath, inside the visor. People really like the GoPro angle of it underneath the visor, and I do too. So I'm really excited to try that out with the new HyperView that GoPro has for the 11 and some more of the cool features that they've put on the insides of that. Next is the BOA system. There's this right here, and there's some strings attached to it, so it tightens around your head. So impacts on the inside, your head will be able to move around, and that also ties in with the new MIPS Integra Split. MIPS Integra Split works by an inner layer of EPP and an outer layer of EPS connected by woofers. The woofers make it so the layers can move around 10 to 15 millimeters in any direction to provide more coverage in an impact. The inner EPP layer is designed to manage slow-speed impacts, while the outer EPS layer is designed to handle high-speed impacts. The separation of the two layers by the yellow woofers helps to add rotational impact protection. These are the settings I'm using for the GoPro Hero 11. 4K resolution at 60 frames per second, HyperView lens, Hyper Smooth is turned on, 10-bit is turned on with standard bitrate, shutter speed is on auto, 0.5 EV comp, white balance is on auto, ISO minimum 100, ISO maximum 1600, high sharpness, and vibrant color. Oh my gosh. Ready? Oh my gosh. Ready? Oh my gosh. In my opinion, the view from under the visor is better overall. It's less shaky and looks more similar to the real perspective of riding. Since HyperView is the new widest film setting, there is some obvious distortion on the side of the videos. I don't notice it too much, but it does make you look like you are going faster. I hope this video helped you out in finding out how the GoPro Hero 11 looks with the Fox ProFrame RS. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.